Okay, on pages 16 and 21 of your workbook this week, which are two of the pages you have to do, there are questions on simple, compound, and complex sentences. We talked about them earlier this year, but I wanted to review so you know exactly what to do. Okay, so a simple sentence shows one idea. Okay, so for example, Pawn is a great school. It is one idea, starts with a capital letter, ends in punctuation. It could be a period, question mark, exclamation point, but it is just one thought, one idea, okay? A compound sentence combines two ideas using a comma and a conjunction, okay? So when I add on to that one idea, Pawn is a great school, I give a comma, a conjunction, and I add another idea. So, and I love going there. Pawn is a great school, and I love going there. Every compound sentence has a comma and a conjunction, okay? We talked about conjunctions as well. Remember, we talked about fanboys was the acronym you can use to remember the conjunctions. So, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Those are all conjunctions that you might see. So the conjunction in this sentence is and. Usually in third grade, we see so, or, but, and are our main conjunctions that we work with, okay? So two thoughts that are combined with a comma and a conjunction. All right, lastly, we have complex sentences, which are a little bit more complex. It means a little more difficult, okay? So that is an independent clause, so like an independent chunk of a sentence, that is joined by a dependent clause, okay? So it's another part of a sentence that wouldn't make sense all on its own, okay? So here's our example. While I was at Pawn, I learned many new things, okay? Period. So if I just put while I was at Pawn, that's not a full sentence. That is a dependent clause because it depends on the other part of the sentence to make sense, okay? So when I say while I was at Pawn, I need to add that to another idea to make sense. I learned many new things, okay? What about if I said just, I learned many new things? Is that a full sentence? I learned many new things? Yes, that could be a simple sentence with a capital letter and a period, but we joined it with a dependent clause, okay? So this is complex. You'll see a comma in every complex sentence, but you will not see a conjunction. Okay, so as you work on these workbook pages, start out with the simple and compound, and then go back and look through the complex and double check your work, okay? I think that'll be the easiest way for you to do it. Alrighty, good luck.